Hey there! Today, I'm diving into something truly essential for Muslims everywhere. Wudu. You might be asking, what's wudu? Well, it's the Islamic act of purification, a practice that spiritually and physically prepares us for prayer and reciting the Quran. It's about getting ready to stand before Allah with humility and cleanliness. Let's break it down step by step. First, make the intention in your heart to purify yourself for Allah's sake. This is called the niyyah. Then say, Bismillah. It means in the name of Allah. Simple, right? Next, wash your hands up to the wrists, starting with the right, then the left. Make sure to clean between those fingers. Do this 3 times. Now rinse your mouth, swish the water around and spit it out. Do this 3 times too. Then gently sniff water into your nostrils and blow it out with your left hand. You guessed it, 3 times again. Time to wash your face from forehead to chin and ear to ear 3 times. Then, wash your arms up to the elbows, right arm first, ensuring every part is wet. Again, 3 times. Now, wet your hands and wipe your head from front to back and back to front in one motion. This is done once. Using the same wet hands, wipe the inside of your ears with your index fingers and the outside with your thumbs, also once. Finally, wash your feet, up to the ankles, right foot first, ensuring to get between the toes 3 times. Wrap it up with a supplication, bearing witness to Allah's oneness, and asking to be among the purified and those who repent. Remember, wudu isn't just about physical cleanliness, it's about spiritual purity, preparing us mentally and spiritually for our prayers. It's a beautiful practice that brings peace and rewards. Thanks for tuning in, and see you next time.